I completed vinyl flooring and need to put flint at the end. There is vinyl flooring ending on one side and other side it is tile. Flint will go like this on the top, but it won't stay without the clip. I will put shim first, then clip, and finally on top I will place flint. Now I am checking level to see if flint goes into the clip or not. Flint is still far away from clip. I need to put another shim, then only flint clips will go into the clip. As you can see now, this is what I needed. So I will put the two shims, one clip, and finally on the top this flint will go. It's supposed to go like this as I'm showing into the video. You can either screw shim or glue it. I am using contractor glue to lay shim. When glue will dry, it will hold shim very tightly. If you're working on a wooden floor, you can also use the screws as well. I finished with the glue, now putting the first shim. After putting first shim, I laid glue again on the top of the shim. Now I am putting second shim. Plain side will go on the top. After putting the second shim, I laid the glue again. Now this clip will go on the top. It will hold the flint. You can bend it inside and it will break. It might take some time. It is not hard. Remember, if you are putting flint on a carpet and vinyl, then do not break it because it will help you to level flint. Now place it on the top of the shim and press it down gently. Final step is to put the flint. This side will fit on the plastic. Make sure you are putting both sides on top of each other. I am using mallet for this. Hit it with the mallet very gently. If it doesn't go on the first time, it will go eventually. Do not use the metal hammer. Do the same on the other side as well. If this video helped you, then give a like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.